So this is the new piece. Again, purchased this online from a GM certified part place, and it was a fraction of what the dealer was going to charge. A couple things, it's got the new clips here that'll go into the door, and you'll notice up at the top they've really added some new glue, and it's kind of flexible glue a little bit, so hoping this stays on better than the original part. This is a tab you're going to pull off and stick this against the body of the truck, so make sure that part is really clean. So remove that. Couple things. First, you've already removed a screw from the back here to loosen the bottom of this door molding, and that's important because over here you'll see there's a hole. This is going to fit in that hole, and you don't want to break that off, so you have to pull this back a little bit. And then very important to make sure that this lip on the plastic starts and goes over the lip of the metal here. I'll tell you, the first time I attempted to install the front version, I actually had it more like this, and it was not correct, so you got to make sure you have the lip on there. So start with the lip, glide into the bottom, and then you're going to look from this other side here. You're going to look in here. I'm going to use a flashlight, and I'll end this video and come back in a minute, but you're going to use a flashlight just to look in there and make sure you're putting the two pieces of the clip. I'm going to pull this off to make it a little easier to see here, these green pieces, that they are fitting into these holes. So I'm going to use a flashlight to do that, and then I'll come back and finish up on the top and the rest.